Good morning, grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? Today let's learn about number line and also how to do different mathematical operations on whole numbers using a number line. So first things first, what is a number line? So you have already learned about number line in your lower classes. You can say a number line is a visual representation of numbers on a straight line. Here you can see a number line. You can see the numbers are marked at regular or equal intervals or segments, and this number line can be extended in both ways, in any directions. Usually a number line is represented horizontally, and see on the number line, as you move towards the right, the value increases, and as you move towards the left, the value decreases. So you can say a number line is a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length, and it can be extended infinitely in any direction and is usually represented horizontally. So how do you draw a number line to represent whole numbers? And what are whole numbers? The collection of numbers starting from 0 to infinity. Those are called whole numbers. So how do you represent whole numbers on a number line? Let's see how. So for this, you are going to need your ruler and a pencil. Do you have your notebook with you? Let's draw a number line to represent whole numbers now. So in your notebook, first you have to draw a straight line using the ruler and a pencil. So here I have the ruler, then I'm going to draw a straight line. Then at one end, I'm going to mark a point. So this is 0, the smallest whole number. Now measure or leave a gap of 1 centimeter from 0 and then mark the next point. You can take 1 centimeter or any suitable distance, but make sure all the intervals are of the same width. So I am going to take 1 centimeter here. So leaving a gap of 1 centimeter, I am going to mark the next point as 1. Then marking the next point at 1 centimeter away, it is 2. I keep on doing this and I have drawn a number line to represent whole numbers. Now you can set aside the ruler and put an arrow at one end. This means this is extending in the direction. So it starts from 0 and extends infinitely in the other direction. So this is a number line that represents whole numbers. Hope you are clear with this. Now let's see how we can do different mathematical operations on whole numbers. How we can perform different arithmetic operations on whole numbers using a number line. The first example. Find out the value of 7 plus 4 using a number line. So how do you find out the sum of 7 and 4 using a number line? What should you do first? First you should draw a number line. First draw a number line using a ruler and a pencil to show the set of whole numbers. Then what you should do after that? First we drew the number line. Then we have to find out the value of 7 plus 4. So where you should start? You should start at point 7. So at point 7, mark a point. Then now you have to add 4 to the number 7. How do you do it? While doing addition on a number line, you have to jump forward or jump towards the right to add up the numbers. So when you have to add 4 to 7, what you have to do? Starting from 7, jump 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where have you reached? You have reached the point 11. So that gives you the sum of 7 and 4. So what is 7 plus 4? 7 plus 4 equal to 11. We found out the sum using the number line. Now let's see one other example. Find out the value of 15 minus 8 using a number line. So we said while doing addition, you have to jump forward or towards the right on the number line. So in subtraction, you have to do just the opposite. jump backwards or jump towards the left on the number line. So first you have to draw the number line, then from 15 you have to subtract 8. So which is the starting point? We start at the point 15. So mark a point on number 15. So starting from 15, you have to jump 8 times towards the back or towards the left. So starting from 15, just count the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where have you reached? You reached the number 7. So starting from 15, you jumped 8 times backward or 8 times towards the left and you reached the point 7. That gives you the difference of 15 and 8. So what is 15 minus 8? 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. See, we got the answer. So while doing addition, jump forward or towards the right. While doing subtraction, jump backward or towards the left on the number line. Now that we have seen how to do addition and subtraction using number line, let's see what can we do about multiplication and division. So here is a question on multiplication. Find out the value of 4 times 3 using a number line. So first draw a number line. Then we can do this calculation in two ways. Let's see the first way. So 4 times 3. So we are going to repeatedly add this number 4 or 3. Either we can add the number 3 repeatedly 4 times or we can add the number 4 repeatedly 3 times. Right? 4 times 3 and 3 times 4 gives you the same product. So we can solve this question in two ways. Let's see the first way. Start from 0. So mark a point at 0. Then you can jump 4. You can jump to 4. That is from 0 to 4. So this is one group of 4. You have to do 4 times 3. So you have to do the same jump 3 times. So here is 1 4. We are going to do another 4. Then another 4. See, this is 4 points jumped 3 times, which is equal to 4 times 3. That is 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So we are jumping in groups in the case of multiplication. You can do this multiplication in a different way. Let's see the second method. In this method also start from 0. Now you are counting 3 points. So that is 3 here. Now we jumped 3 points away from 0. Now we are going to repeat this jump 4 times. That is, this is 1 3, then this is 2 3s, this is 3 3s and this is 4 3s. So here you jumped in groups of 3 4 times, which gives you 3 4s are 12. That is the same answer. So while doing 4 times 3, you can either jump in groups of 4 3 times or in groups of 3 4 times, which gives you the same answer. So this is about multiplication. You are jumping in groups on the number line. So what about division? Here is a question on division. Find out the value of 15 divided by 3 using a number line. See, in multiplication we jumped forward or towards the right. Why? Because we were repeatedly adding. In addition, we saw that we have to jump towards the right or move forward. So in division, we know it is repeated subtraction. So in which direction will we be jumping? We have to jump backward or towards the left repeatedly. So how do you find out the answer to 15 by 3? First draw the number line, then starting from the point 15, first mark a point at the number 15, then jump 3 points towards the left first. So that is 1 2 3. So you reached here. Here you jumped 3 points away from 15. Now you have to repeat this backward jumping till you reach the point 0. So keep jumping in groups of 3. So that is, see, you reach the point 0. Then count the number of jumps you needed to reach the point 0. So this is 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, 5 jump. So how many jumps? 5 jumps. So this number of jumps you made on the number line gives you the quotient to this division. So you can say 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. The number of jumps you made to reach the point 0, which means you divided 15 completely by 3. So children, I hope this is clear to you. While doing addition on the number line, you jump towards the right. While doing subtraction, you jump towards the left. And while doing multiplication, you jump towards the right repeatedly. You are adding repeatedly. While doing division, you jump towards the left repeatedly because you are subtracting repeatedly. So this is how you do. You perform arithmetic operations on whole numbers using a number line. Hope this was clear to you. You have to go through this topic, number line and operations on the number line, in page number 18 and 19. Then you have to do exercise 2.1. This is in page number 19. Just go through the question. Then you can note down the answers in your notebook. Once you have noted down, you can submit your answers through Microsoft Teams. So that's all for today, children. We'll be meeting in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.